Hello, welcome to Shrimpy's YouTube channel. My name is Jade, and today we are going to learn how to set a portfolio stop loss and what that means. Shrimpy allows users to set a portfolio stop loss to protect their funds in the event their portfolio decreases quickly. Portfolio stop losses pull the entire portfolio of assets out of the market instead of individual assets. The assets held in the portfolio will be converted to a stablecoin. Let's look at how this works in Shrimpy. This is our Shrimpy dashboard. We already have portfolios created and automations running on them. We are going to set a stop loss on the example portfolio. To do this, we will go to the Automation tab. This is the automation currently running on our portfolio. We can see that on the side where Active Portfolio shows Example. These are the assets that are included in our automation. Here is the rebalancing strategy currently running. Select Show More Rebalance Settings. Now we can set our stop loss settings. Choose the drop-down and select Yes to enable the stop loss. Then set the threshold. This is the amount our portfolio can move before a stop loss is triggered. We will set a 15% threshold for our stop loss. This means that if our portfolio drops 15% from the last highest peak value recorded, a stop loss will trigger. Next, we will select the currency that will be purchased when the stop loss is triggered. We want to choose an asset with high liquidity. USD and USDT are highly recommended, but you can choose any of the assets on the list. Now we will save our automation with the new changes. After selecting Save, Shrimpy will ask if we want to trigger a rebalance now. We will select No for this example. Our stop loss is now set. There are two ways our stop loss can be triggered. Either our portfolio will decrease by 15% from our peak value, or we manually trigger the stop loss. To manually trigger a stop loss, click into the portfolio you want to perform the stop loss on. Then select Activate next to Stop Loss. Here we will confirm the asset we want to be purchased. There is a warning that triggering the stop loss will move 100% of the funds in that portfolio into the stop loss currency, and our active automation will be disconnected from the portfolio. Select Trigger Stop Loss to confirm we want to proceed. We can see the progress of our stop loss here. A stop loss rebalance will always use taker trades, even if you have fee optimization with maker trades enabled. This is because a stop loss needs to execute as quickly as possible, and maker trades execute too slowly. Once the rebalance is complete, all of our assets have been converted to USD. We will receive an email informing us of the stop loss event. Because we triggered a stop loss, we also disconnected the automation running on this portfolio. When we are ready to turn this back on, we will go to the Automation tab, select the automation we want to run on the portfolio, and select Start Automation. We will then be prompted to choose the portfolio to run the automation on, and asked if we would like to rebalance now with the saved changes. If you have any further questions about the stop loss feature, please reach out to our support team at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help.